In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Zoho CRM. Dashboards are a valuable feature that allow you to visualize your data effortlessly, providing insights at a glance. Whether you're tracking sales figures, customer interactions, or other business metrics, a well-organized dashboard can be a game changer. Let's dive into the process of building one from scratch. First, to create a dashboard in Zoho CRM, we'll begin by opening Analytics. Look to the main menu of the CRM interface and click on the Analytics tab, which might also be labeled as Dashboards, depending on your version. This is the starting point for accessing all your analytics needs. It's where you'll compile and manage all the data visualizations relevant to your business. Once you're in the Analytics section, the next step is to add a new dashboard. Locate and click on the Add icon, which is typically represented by a plus sign. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Create Dashboard. This action will open up the Dashboard Builder page, a workspace where you can tailor your dashboard according to your specific needs. Now you'll need to configure the settings for your new dashboard. Start by giving your dashboard a name. Choosing a descriptive and meaningful name is essential as it helps you and your team understand the purpose of the dashboard at a glance. An optional step at this stage is to add a description. Although it's not mandatory, providing some context can be very helpful for those who will be using the dashboard, particularly if complex data or multiple metrics are presented. Next, focus on the sharing settings. Here you have a few options to consider. If the dashboard is for your eyes only, choose Only Me, which keeps it private. If you want all users who have dashboard permissions to see it, choose All Users. For a more personalized approach, select Custom, where you can pick specific users, roles, subordinates, or groups to have access. This feature is especially useful if different departments or teams need tailored data visibility. Lastly, consider whether you want to lock the dashboard to prevent any modifications from shared users. Enabling this option is a good way to maintain the integrity of the dashboard, ensuring that the data presentation remains unchanged by anyone else. This is particularly relevant if your organization relies on standardized reports or specific data layouts. Once you've configured your settings and are satisfied with your setup, click Save. This action creates your dashboard structure, ready for you to start adding widgets and data visualizations as you see fit. And that's it. You've successfully created the basic framework for a Zoho CRM dashboard. Your next steps will involve populating it with the necessary data representations to suit your business needs, but we'll cover that in another video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this walkthrough helpful in managing your CRM data more efficiently.